What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a quick little tip for you here today. We were working on my buddy's BMW Dakar and it had some old crusty brakes and one of the brake lines was plugged. So what we did was took the old brake line off and we tried a bunch of different stuff. Tried spraying solvents and stuff down the line, shoving a wire down there, air pressure. Nothing would budge that plug because we just couldn't get enough pressure. So the trick is, for how you do this, is you take it off and you mount it backwards on your brakes. So in this case, the rear master cylinder here didn't have the right banjo fitting that we needed, but the front master cylinder did. So we just came up here to the front of the bike, disconnected the front banjo bolt, and mounted our rear line up there backwards, pumped it up, built up some pressure. It blew a bunch of rust and crap out the end, cleared the line, and then we just took it off, flushed everything out, reassembled it, bled the brakes, and they're good as new. Obviously, it's kind of an old line anyway. We probably should replace it in the future, but these parts are kind of hard to find, and we run a time frame, so you make do with what you got. This is way easier and way more foolproof than futzing with like solvents and crap trying to unplug that. Just hook it up backwards, build some pressure, it should blow it out. If that doesn't work, well, then you're probably really screwed, but this should hopefully get you out of a bind. So anyway, that's all I had for you today. Hopefully that was useful. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.